welcome back to the vlog. Happy Monday. So today I'm actually going to do a summer cleanup with my closet, but I think today I'm going to tackle my bikini collection. I have so many bikinis and it's about time that I go through them, sort them out, and see which ones I'm donating to the thrift store, and also set aside bikinis for my cousins, for my friends and family in the Philippines, and some items to sell on my Poshmark because you guys seem to really enjoy picking up items from my Poshmark. So that's what we're gonna do today. And since today is a holiday, I have my mom and my grandma with me to help me sort them out. So I kind of have like 2 extra assistants today. They're gonna look through my stuff and then see which ones they want to keep to send to the Philippines. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. I just finished showering. I went to work out this morning. I did 12-3-40. Instead of 30 minutes, I did it for 40 minutes. Okay guys, so these are all the bikinis that I am giving away to either my cousins in the Philippines or selling on my Poshmark and donating. Hi Mama. Hi. My grandma's currently folding them right now. I'm keeping this side right here, and then I have this big tub full of bikinis, and these are like from years and years ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort them out real quickly, and I might have to step away because I gotta answer some emails.
Keep your first bikini because that's going to be like a memory.
And then I have these reusable SHEIN bags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the bikinis that I'm going to sell my Poshmark in these individual bags, so it's easier for me to just sort out and look through them when someone buys them. And then these are some of the bikinis that I am keeping, and I'm probably going to go look through these as well. But yeah, so far so good. We have more bikinis coming on the way, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack these into these bags and then put them here so that I can go ahead and sell them on my Poshmark.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Guys, this single-handedly just like solved all of my problems, and this is so satisfying. But basically these are like earring locks, and I always lose mine, and now I have literally every single earring lock that you could ever think of. We got the rubber ones, these little backings, these little butterfly ones, and like this little dome shaped ones. But these are so handy, and you can just like lock them. I'll link this down below for you guys. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. It is currently 8:49. It's pretty early. I woke up around 6 today and I was gonna go to the gym, but my body needed rest, and I'm trying to give my body a lot more rest. For the past couple of days, I've been actually cleaning out my closet, or like my bikini collection. So today I've decided that since I have so much time before my appointment later, I was like, this is the perfect time for me to take pictures and update my Poshmark listing. This video is not sponsored by them, although I did work with them in the past, so please Poshmark, if you see this, sponsor me again, because I literally love you guys and I use your app every single time I need to sell clothes. So I have this huge IKEA bag right here filled with bikinis. They either don't fit me well, or I don't like how it looks on my body, or number 2, I've only worn them once and that's about it. A lot of you guys purchased from my Poshmark, which I'm really grateful for. So if you want to do that again, please go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to be including little makeup knickknacks for each Poshmark order that I get, because I get a ton of makeup PR and sometimes they're like not my shade, so I can't wear them, so I like to give them away to you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking pictures of those and then listing them by the end of today so you guys can get them. I want to ship them out before I go on my trip because I'm gonna be gone for a little while and I won't be able to ship them until I get back. This is what my page or my Poshmark looks like. You can go ahead and browse it, and if you want anything, feel free to just order it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start packing them right now, actually, just to kind of get it out of the way, especially because I have a lot of things to do next week. Alright, here's a box of all my makeup stash that has never been used. They're literally brand new, but they're either not my shade or I already have them. So I'm just going to be picking like random items from this box to include in your guys' Poshmark order. I feel like this video may seem sponsored, but it's really not. I just love using Poshmark to sell my items. I feel like it's super easy, and you know, if Poshmark sees this video, hey girl, like please sponsor me again. My girl Kristen ordered the Kalanikinis blue denim one, which is this one right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it aside. And these are also grouped. I have to go get more SHEIN bikini packages because I like to put them in these little things right here just for extra protection. It's been a couple of hours since I last updated you, but I just got a really exciting package from Gold Hinge, which is a newer brand that I'm working with, or that sent me PR. But they sent me this note and it says Farina, and look at this really cute card that they gave. But I love it when brands write a personal note. It just warms my heart. It says, "Hi Farina, thanks so much for letting us share some of our pieces with you. Everything was custom designed to make sure the fit and material are perfect, so we hope you love everything. We can't wait to see your adorable content. XOXO, Gold Hinge team." This is one of them. They sent me a blue one and I like that it comes with shorts, but I got this in a size small and it is so freaking cute, you guys. It's the exact same tennis skirt that I'm wearing, but just like in this darker teal color. I think it's really, really pretty. And of course I had to get it in the color white because this one will match with a lot of different tops, and it's just so freaking cute, and their logo is like right behind it. This is not like a match, or it's not a pair that goes with the skirt, but wait, I can wear this when I travel. I'm probably gonna wear like one shoulder. They sent over this matching sports bra and legging set. The straps are not adjustable though, so make sure you guys like read the sizing. And I like that there are pockets on the side. And make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram if you want to see me style these pieces. And hi guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I just finished getting ready because I'm actually headed out to go to a meeting, and I wanted to dress up, you know, a little bit more formal, not super SoCal surfer girl type of outfit, and this is what I came up with. I'm just wearing this silk top that I got from Lily Silk a while ago. I did like a collab with them, and honestly this is becoming one of my favorite tops. It is such great quality, and I feel like you can never go wrong with just like white button-up tops, and this just happens to be silk and I am literally in love with it. It is so freaking soft. And then of course I just sleeked my hair bun. I'm wearing some trousers, and you guys know that I am a beach bum, so I feel like I had to somewhat incorporate a little bit of beach theme in my outfit. So I'm wearing this shell necklace from Starlight Village, and then I have these pearl earrings with a little hint of turquoise in it from Ana Luisa. And then for the bag, I've decided to use my Teddy Blake New York bag, and this is very, very, very new in my collection. I'm honestly so excited. This is the Gigi Croco Gold in the color light beige. I love that it has a gold hardware because you guys know that I love anything gold. I prefer gold jewelry or gold pretty much anything, and this one honestly just completes the outfit, and the size is just perfect. I genuinely love Teddy Blake because you can get really high quality bags and purses without selling an arm and a leg, okay? Because we all know that there are some brands out there that literally cost an arm and a leg. Also, I feel like this bag is super secure because you can't just like open it like a little flap. You have to kind of like slide this out and do it on the other side to open this up, so you kind of like have the like extra security. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. You can fit so many things in here. I can fit my vlogging camera, a hand sanitizer, my iPad in here, even probably my 13-inch MacBook Pro. I can fit the charger. This bag is truly the perfect size for me. It is very light yet very durable, and you can also turn it into a little crossover. So if you're not feeling the little purse action like this, go ahead and attach the strap that it came with and make it a crossover. I'm traveling literally next week, and I'm going to be bringing this with me as my personal item because, like, how can I not? How can I not? If you guys want to check out Teddy Blake, definitely click the link down below. This is a really great bag for you to use when traveling, if you're going to meetings, for work, whatever it may be. This is the perfect purse for you, or maybe your mom, your cousin, your girlfriend, your auntie, whoever it may be. I'm pretty sure they're gonna love it.